Alright, welcome back to ClickKPI tutorials. In this video we're going to show you how to set up the ClickBanks reporting services. So they have two different things they'll send you. One, we do the order page view. So when somebody lands on your sales page and they finally see the order page, that will ping us. It'll let us know so you can dissect your data that way. And also the instant notification URL, where they will send the conversions back to us, you know, what tracking code it was, what they bought, things like that, and how much you made from that conversion. So you'll need to go to your ClickKPI account, go to your profile, go down to API again here, and then you'll see ClickBank URLs. Now what you're going to want to do is we'll do the order page view first. We'll copy this one. Then we'll go over to our ClickBank account. We'll go to vendor settings, my site. And we go down here to integrated sales reporting. We're going to do add tracking code. And we're going to do tracking pixel. And we take that URL and we post it in here. We're going to set it up as an affiliate. And we're going to set up when to fire on the order form. Then all we have to do is hit save. That one's set up and ready to go as long as you hit play. Next we'll go over here and we'll copy our instant notification URL. Make sure you're copying the right URLs here. And we'll go in here to advanced tools, click edit. Post that URL in here. We'll go back, we'll grab our secret key. Here's our private key. Post that in here. And then you're going to test your IPN. Okay, and then you'll hit the test IPN, and then it will be verified. And that's all you need to do to set up your instant notification URLs in your tracking pixel. Thanks for watching ClickKPI's tutorials. We'll see you again soon.